Okay, so let's start. Before start today's class, I will ask some question. My first question is, what is a curve? Who know? Please reply the answer by comment. What are curves?
The picture that are results of your
Hitesh, mute your mic. You can comment only. Sneha, I asked what are curves? How can you define the curves? Anybody else? Yeah, right answer Pratiksha, very good. Which is any drawing without lifting a pen will be called as a curve. My next question is, what are polygons? How can you define polygons? No problem, Pratiksha. How can you define curves? Sorry, polygons. Anybody? Should I ask my name?
Can you repeat the question?
What are polygons? Okay. Polygons are which type of curves that made up by only line segment. ओके ऐसे कर्व जो सिर्फ लाइन सेगमेंट से ही फॉर्म हुए हैं बने हैं ऐसे कर्व्स को हम we will called as polygons. Okay, in previous class we discussed all such definition, curves, type of curves, closed curve, open curve, simple curve. We also discussed polygons. So today we will continue. We will discuss the new next topic, side, vertex and diagonals. Side, vertex and diagonals. Okay, to understand this, I am drawing a polygon like this. Okay, this is a polygon because it's made up only by line segments. Okay, the first point is sides. What are sides? The line segments forming a polygon is called sides. So there are 5 line segments are forming this polygon. This line segments, this line segment, and this. So these are the sides of this polygon. Okay. The next point, vertex. Vertex is singular and vertices is a plural. Then the meeting points of side is called vertex. For example, this is the meeting point of these two sides. So this is a vertex of this polygon. Can anyone tell me how many vertex in this polygon? Like this. Yeah, correct answer 5. Because this is one, this is one, this is also meeting point. Next, this is, and this is, and this is. So there are 5 vertices in this polygon. How many sides in this polygon? How many sides in this polygon? There are 5 sides, 5 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next is adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. What are adjacent sides? Any two sides which have one common endpoint. These sides are called adjacent sides. For example, this side and this side both having this common point. So these and these, this side are called as adjacent sides. Now this is and this also have one common point. So this side and this side are also adjacent sides. Now side this is and this side these also have one common endpoint. So these are also adjacent sides. Can anybody let me how many pairs of adjacent sides in this polygon? How many pairs of adjacent sides in this polygon? How many pair of sides? Correct answer 5. This is one pair, this is second pair, this is third pair, this is fourth pair, and this is 5 pair. So here are 5 pair of adjacent sides in this polygon. Now the next point is point number 4, adjacent angles. Adjacent vertex. Now what are adjacent vertex? The two endpoints of a side are called adjacent vertex. Okay, हम इसे नेम दे देते हैं A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so take any sides like as AB. What are the 2 points of the sides A and B? So A and B are the adjacent vertices of this polygon. Another example, select any side BC. The 2 endpoints of this side are B and C. So B and C are adjacent vertices of this polygon. The next is C and D, the next is D and D, the next is E and A. Anybody tell me how many pairs of adjacent vertices in this polygon? Yes, right answer. There are 5 pairs of adjacent vertices in this polygon. We can write also the name. First pair A and B, the second pair B and C, and third pair C and D, fourth pair D and D, the last pair E and A. There are 5 pairs. The next is, and also important point, diagonals. What are diagonals? Okay, if in this polygon we add the vertex who are not adjacent, these line segments will be called as diagonals. Once again, if we add the vertices which are not adjacent, the joining line will be called as the diagonals. Let's see. First A and C are not adjacent vertices. So we are joining A to C like this. Okay. So AC is the diagonal. For example, AC. Now we can add all other vertices, but remember not adjacent. Next is A and B. Okay. Next we can draw from B also. Now B to A, B to E. The next is AD. The next is BE. Next we can join B to D, B to D. Now we can join E to C. So the next diagonal is EC. So there are 5 diagonals in this polygon. So diagonal is the line which connect any two non-adjacent vertices. Okay, so regarding these 3 points, side, vertex and diagonals, if there is any doubt, kindly ask me. Please don't chat here. Ritisha and Sifana, don't chatting. Ask your doubt regarding diagonals, vertices and sides in any polygon. इसने हाँ विच डाउट इसने हाँ ओके तनुजा म्यूट योर माइक Sirman, what is your doubt? Sirman, 6A. What is your doubt? Sirman. Okay. I think the solutions cut out the adjacent vertices and diagonals. So once again, adjacent vertices are the two endpoint of any side. आप इस साइड इस पॉलीगन में कोई भी साइड सेलेक्ट करिए, उस साइड के जो एंड पॉइंट्स हैं, these are the adjacent vertices. For example, DE, the two endpoints of DE are D and E. So DE are adjacent vertices. Next the diagonals. जब हम any two vertex को ऐड करें बट दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट वर्टेक्स, तो जिस लाइन से हम ज्वाइन करते हैं दिस लाइन विल बी कॉल्ड एज डायगोनल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल I join five pairs of non-adjacent vertex. So here are the AC, AD, BE, and BD and BC are the five diagonals in this polygon. So like this, we can draw polygons in any shape. Okay, so let's continue. Exercise 4.2. In 4.2, first question, classify the following curves as open or closed. In this question, here are given some drawings of curve. We have to be classified between open and closed. So what are the open and closed? We already discussed in the previous class. So by observing these drawings, we can classify between open and closed. So first point, you can also see this drawing. This is the first question. What is the first type? Open or closed? Yeah, very good. This is open. Okay. Now, second, open or closed? This is totally closed. Next, third point, open or closed. We can also revise the open and closed. If the two endpoints of any curve are joined to each other, this type of curve will be called as closed, otherwise open. So the C is open because its endpoints are not joined. Next, the fourth is a triangle. So this is closed. The next, fifth, what is the type of fifth? Closed. Fifth is also closed? Yes. The first question is completed. Now, the second question number 2, draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Second, A, open curve and B, closed curve. So in the second question, we have to draw some rough diagrams for the example of open and closed curve. So in this question, we can draw any diagrams, okay, which are open and which are closed. I am drawing some rough diagrams. Question number second. First point is open. Okay, open we can draw like this. Next, B, close. Okay, close we can draw like this. This is your example of closed curve. You can also draw some different examples. Okay, not only one, you can draw more than one, like as 2 or 3. Let's continue.
So we want to write a notebook, sir.
Who is speaking? ये आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा बोल के माइक बंद नहीं करना है, प्रॉपर बोलिए. सर, दिस इज नंदिता फ्रॉम क्लास 6A. I want to say. I cannot identify. Otherwise comment करिए या
Ganesh.
प्रॉपर बोलिए with your name. Ganesh.
Sir, we want to write this, sir.
Ganesh, I am not listen. I cannot listen to you. Please loud.
Sir, we want to write this, sir.
Yeah, yeah, you have to be right. Okay?
Right, sir. Or like, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. The question number 3. In question number 3, we have to draw any polygon and shade its interior. So we can draw any polygon, okay, like this, and we have to be shade its interior. Again, what are interior and exterior? The interior is the part which is inside the polygon's boundary. So this is interior part, and the opposite of interior is exterior. Which part, which area outside the boundary of polygon? This will be called as exterior. So this area is exterior. Okay, surrounding this. Okay, so we have to be shade its interior. So this is the interior. We can shade like this. Okay, you can also shade by some different colors. So we draw the polygon and also shaded the interior part. The next question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. In fourth question, one figure is given. I am drawing. Okay. First point. It is a curve. Is it a curve? Yes or no? Please reply. Is this a curve or not? Pratiksha, why no? Sirvan, why no? Why is it not a curve? Please give your reason also why it is not a curve. It is a curve. The answer is yes. Why yes? Again listen. All polygons are curves, but all curves are not polygons. जो सभी पॉलीगन्स हैं सभी कर्व्स भी हैं बट सभी कर्व्स वो पॉलीगन्स नहीं हैं बिकॉज उसके साथ कंडीशन है उनके लिए क्या होना चाहिए लाइन सेगमेंट ओके फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ कर्व आल्सो एंड पॉलीगन बट लाइक this is a curve but not polygon because this is not made up by the line segment. So the answer of first point is yes. The next second point, is it closed? Reply yes or no. क्या ये closed है? Yes. This is a closed because all the end points are joined to each other. So the answer of this also yes. So fourth question also complete. The next fifth question, illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. So in this fifth question, We have to draw, we have to be explained by some drawing or diagrams. First point, a closed curve that is not a polygon. So in first point, we have to draw a closed curve, but जो polygon नहीं है. For this may be answer of this point. This is the closed curve, but it is not a polygon. Second point, an open curve entirely of line segments. इसमें आपको एक ओपन कर्व ड्रॉ करना है, ओपन भी हो एंड कर्व बट कैसा हो, लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हो, which made up only line segments. The next C point, a polygon with two sides. So in this point, you have to draw a polygon only two sides. So this question you have to try to solve as homework. First one I already explained one example. Next B and C you have to be try to solve. You have to be try to make some diagrams according to the points. Among 6B, stop your presenting. Okay, so if there any doubt, kindly ask me regarding the today's class.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.